In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings in WebEx. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WebEx. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just type in WebEx in the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of search results appear on your screen. This is the first step towards accessing your account settings. Taking the time to get to the correct page is essential because it ensures you have the latest features and security updates. Be sure to look for the official WebEx site in the search results, as this ensures you're accessing the right platform. Once you have the search results, click on the correct link. The official WebEx website typically includes the domain webex.com. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the WebEx homepage. This step is crucial because it connects you to the right resources and services provided by WebEx. You want to avoid any unofficial sites as they can lead to security risks. After clicking the link, you should see the WebEx homepage load on your screen, ready for you to proceed. Now, if prompted, log into your WebEx account. You will need to enter your username and password in the login fields displayed. This step is important because it protects your account information and allows you to access personalized settings. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a forgot password link to help you reset it. Once you successfully log in, you will be directed to your dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next up, select Settings or Preferences depending on your organizational template. You can find this option in the menu, usually located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. This area is where you manage all settings related to your WebEx account. Navigating to this section is critical because it enables you to customize your experience according to your needs. Once you click on it, a new settings page will appear, displaying various options for customization. From there, click through the tabs at the top of the dashboard page to customize your account parameters. You will notice different tabs like General, My Personal Room, Audio and Video, Scheduling, and Calling. Each tab contains specific settings that you can modify. This step is vital as it allows you to tailor your WebEx experience to better suit how you work and interact with others. By exploring these tabs, you can find options that can enhance your productivity and make meetings more efficient. Now let's look at My Personal Room. In this section, you can change your permanent link name, set up an auto-lock timer, or create a host pin. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining security during meetings. Having a unique link name and auto-lock timer can prevent unauthorized access to your personal room. Adjusting these settings ensures that your meetings remain private and secure. Next, navigate to the Audio and Video tab. Here you can save your mobile or landline numbers for automatic meeting callbacks. This feature is beneficial because it allows you to join meetings seamlessly even if you're not in front of your computer. By having your numbers saved, you streamline the process of joining calls, making it easier and quicker to participate in important discussions. After that, go to the Scheduling tab. In this area, you can adjust your default meeting templates or give someone else permission to schedule calls on your behalf. This flexibility is crucial, especially if you work in a team and need to delegate responsibilities. Customizing your meeting templates can save you time and help you organize your meetings more effectively. Next, visit the Calling tab. Here you can configure call forwarding rules or record a new voicemail greeting message. Setting up call forwarding can ensure that you never miss important calls, even when you're away from your desk. Recording a personalized voicemail greeting adds a professional touch and enhances communication with your contacts. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the page after making your adjustments. This step is essential to ensure all your changes are applied. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your settings have been successfully updated. Remember, taking the time to customize your settings can greatly improve your WebEx experience and overall productivity.